Electrical safety. Safe electrical working practices. On-board ship electrical hazards are electrical fire and electrical shock due to lack of knowledge, overriding safeties and poor maintenance of equipment. The purpose of these regulations is to achieve a satisfactory level of electrical safety in maritime electrical installations and in the operation of electrical equipment connected to these installations. These regulations apply to low voltage and high voltage installations. Electrical safety comprises dangers posed by the electricity itself, such as danger arising from contact with electricity and fire, and safety factors associated with the use of electricity and electrical equipment. The regulations apply to the design, construction, operation, alteration and maintenance of maritime electrical installations, mobile offshore units, floating or mobile installations, and recreational craft. The regulations also apply to electrical equipment connected to maritime electrical installations. Electrical safety includes the following: protection against contact with energized parts, protection against arcing, personal injury, danger of fire, explosions. Safe construction, installation and maintenance of electrical equipment. Safe system design, construction, use and maintenance of maritime electrical installations. Safe procedures and safety measures for work on or near maritime electrical installations. Power supplied in a safe manner, high quality power supply, protection against lightning. Protection to prevent power cuts causing danger to life or health. De-energizing the circuit must be correctly completed by opening the circuit breaker, opening the switch, or removing the fuse. The circuit must then be locked out or tagged out. Insulating materials, such as mats and gloves, be periodically tested or inspected. All electrical tools or equipment undergo a visual inspection before use. All portable electric hand tools and temporary lighting systems use ground fault circuit interrupters (GFCI). Electrical tools and equipment be appropriate for the job to be performed. Electrical equipment and tools be used with proper circuit protection for the voltage and amperage. Make sure all electrical cables are physically inspected for any cuts, abrasions, or if they are immersed in water due to clogging extra. The same should be notified and appropriate measures should be taken to rectify or report the fault so that it can be repaired in dry docks. If any sparks are noticed, be sure not to ignore them. They could lead to fire, which is one of the deadliest enemies of the ship. It is better to nip this enemy in the bud rather than giving it a chance to spread. Always use intrinsically safe equipment, especially in places where the presence of spark can lead to disaster. Never leave the marine wiring having loose connections or joints without proper insulation. This is known as jury rigging or jerry rigging in nautical terms and refers to temporary unsatisfactory repairs, as these could lead to problems and losses in the long run. When carrying out maintenance or repair on any equipment, make sure to switch off power from the main electrical panel and also make sure to put a notice near that switch which says that, "Work in progress, do not switch on." Lock out and tag out, LOTO. Wear proper protective gear when working with electrical machineries and follow all instructions, relevant checklists extra. Electrical work permit. Electrical fires on board, even on land, require special handling, and therefore everyone on the ship must be aware of how to react in case of electrical fires in terms of the fire extinguishers to be used and other steps to be followed. This can be drilled into the staff by carrying out regular safety drills which train the crew for such a situation. Extension cables should be secured properly without any knots of unnecessary bends. If possible, try to roll it up in a nice manner uniformly and store in a dry place. Ensure appropriate supervision is provided. Put in place safe operating processes and procedures. Carry out risk assessments for all electrical work and discuss with crews involved in the job toolbox meeting. Adequate maintenance, including inspection and testing. Ensure that fatigue and workload is managed appropriately. Equipment design, ensuring safe design. Appropriate warning signs are in place, including proper labeling for tag, lockouts. Appropriate use of surge protective devices. Ensure electrical systems are properly isolated when required. Carry out regular insulation testing. Ensure there are clear and concise manuals for use of electrical equipment. Follow user's manual. Appropriate training, knowledge and awareness of electrical hazards.